Fiifi Kwetey me mo official pa na yem le say de bia me na adwene there's a telepathy na obi a wa hwe Fiifi Kwetey ahwe ni bia no e kon fa so a oba politics mu we free say o jai so MP obi am pressure obi anya na hwe ai na wo di general secretary asem no ye president na wotiso ko nyane mu ono amu aka se nani nyi tetem no wonye na adwene
crofo di sentrim
president Mahama sa de enyi ne su ni ne ban kwa enko to ono aka se nani nya den enye ho sa sycophancy for sa yenko from ho a ase adwene nyanse ne obi atima de be say please keep quiet no it's NDC party no
keep quiet say
say me kan no it's NDC party no the president Mahama said the guy akoro eh party no suban na de obi eden bawo ye me ye say no man people follow e fine ye bo NDC for wo mu nyese wo mu nyese tete obi obi e party no suban party na tal ene de show na we den wo da party no sunyi ne ban len edi tie nche nipa e fan be free
e fan be free party
I'm telling you
I'm a fufure room
because you are wanting for baby and table so to improve the party image and the reputation party ultimate where they and the Ghana for saying and say they don't care wow near my obey mom where they at home and near my bay mubadaho I'm who say and some can say they are banning and one and it's not gonna for you it ye who in them ye change any difficulty I can't once more when yes has sycophancy no o me ba president ba ye tetem ye eno ye beneka
am pani kra no sa ne ma no o hia I mean
o bibi ya bompa ya tanachi de nka Dr. Fiifi ke odu ba bi no bi ya de ben ensem fata no asore gina as NDC ni na no bi edu no ye mpese 2028 no ye kono na ye kokati Ghana for say e ya de sere o ye kosa na ya mo ye bre yi
chira juma
se wo de yaye
chira juma
yaye wei esesan abaye ABCD Ghana for sampa mu akwapa na kwafo mo di kakra no kure mo nya de mo ntoaso